Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about sentence making. I have a good news. Wrong. I have good news. Correct. How does it look like? Wrong. What does it look like? Correct. I have lost the bus. Wrong. I have missed the bus. Correct. I am much happy to see you. Wrong. I am very happy to see you. I have visited London last weekend. Wrong. I visited London last weekend. Correct. I am going to explain you. Wrong. I am going to explain to you. She's married with a dentist. Wrong. She's married a dentist.
Channel, hit the bell icon to never
Correct.
miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.